Welcome to Mastering Customers and Invoices in QuickBooks Online. Today, from basics to advanced reporting and analysis. Perfect for students and professionals, we will build solid workflows, speed up AR, and avoid common mistakes. Stick till the end for practical exercises and a quick action plan to level up. Agenda: Introduction to customers in QBO. Creating and managing customers, creating invoices, and applying payments. Customer reports, advanced invoice features, and hands-on exercises. We finish with best practices, troubleshooting, and a quick wrap-up. Customers are central to revenue tracking and your entire accounts receivable workflow. QBO stores detailed profiles, contact, billing, payment terms, and tax info. Profiles link directly to invoices, sales receipts, and reports for clean audit trails. Navigate via sales, then customers, to view your full customer list. Use search and filters to find accounts, see open balances and recent activity. Quick actions let you create invoices or receive payments in seconds. Steps: go to Sales, Customers, click New Customer. Enter name, email, and set payment terms that fit the agreement. Example: add ABC Consulting with net 30 terms. Click Save. The profile is now ready for transactions. Complete contact info, billing and shipping addresses, tax details, and default terms. Attach contracts or agreements to keep all documents centralized. Exercise 1. Create a new customer named Green Valley Supplies, net 15, email billing@greenvalley.com. Invoices request payment and track receivables against terms and due dates. From New, choose Invoice, select your customer. Add product or service, quantity, and rate, then set terms and due date. Example: 5 hours of consulting at $100 per hour. Customize templates under Settings, custom form styles, logo, color, and fonts. Add custom fields like PO number to match client requirements. Exercise 2. Invoice Green Valley Supplies for 10 office chairs at $50 each. Apply a 5% discount. Record payments via Receive Payment matched to the open invoice. Choose the method, then deposit to the correct bank account. For partials, enter less than the total. QBO tracks the remaining balance. Use credit memos for returns or overpayments. Apply to open invoices or issue refunds. Exercise 3. Receive a $100 partial payment on a $300 invoice. Then apply a $20 credit memo for a returned item. Use customer balance detail, AR aging, sales by customer, and invoice list to analyze AR. Search, pick AR aging, filter by customer, date, and status, then run. The aging report shows overdue invoices by buckets to spot slow payers quickly. Export to Excel or PDF for sharing and deeper analysis. Exercise 4. Run an AR aging report for ABC Consulting and identify any overdue invoices. Advanced features, recurring invoices, progress invoicing, late fees, and multi-currency. Create an invoice, click Make Recurring, choose weekly or monthly, save the template. Split estimates into multiple invoices, like 30% upfront, 40% mid-project, 30% on completion. Enable automatic late fees in sales settings to encourage timely payments. Turn on multi-currency and assign a currency per customer for international invoicing. Exercise 5. Set a recurring monthly invoice for Green Valley Supplies for a $200 IT support fee. Best practices: keep customer data current, reconcile AR regularly, and automate reminders. Customize reports with filters and columns, then memorize for one-click access. Integrate CRM and payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe to accelerate cash collection. Exercise 6. Customize sales by customer to show only office chairs sales. Avoid pitfalls, unapplied payments, wrong terms, unreconciled balances, and duplicate customers. Master these steps to streamline AR. Practice the exercises, then subscribe for more QuickBooks deep dives. Download the checklist in the description and start now.